Hi YouTube, it's your girl, Mikeal, Lilcutenurse. What's going on? Hello, welcome to all my subscribers. How y'all doing? How you been? Well, my YouTube friends. Did I say new subscribers? I see a lot of people coming over. Yeah, how y'all doing? If you want to hear a lot of country talking, but a lot of realness at the same time, you came to the right place, girl. I'm just saying. Anyway, this is my new for this week, y'all. I don't know how I feel about her. She might not last but a day. We might be getting another video tomorrow, because I don't know. I like her to look a little bit more realistic, even though I know she ain't mine. But yeah, this is Beshe Kylie 1B30 root tip. This is what she looks like. I know it's supposed to look a little bit natural, but to me, I don't know. I'm gonna have to wear her for a little bit. Also, guys, as promised in this video, I get up at 4 o'clock this morning, actually 3:30, to do this video because I said I would. I get it on Sunday, but yeah, it didn't happen. I was cooking. I cooked me some cabbage greens and meatloaf, and I mean, you know, yesterday was really full. We had a nice dinner, you know. So this morning, I made up my mind. I went to bed. I was gonna get this video done. So this is the Matte Velvet Skin Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin 24-hour foundation. That's what I have on now. And we're going to do a wear test, because I'm not going to post this video till I get off tonight and let you guys know how I held up. So, only thing I'm taking in my makeup bag is a setting spray. And to be honest, I do have a Beige cosmetic powder in here, because y'all know I'm oily as hell and I just can't spend the rest of the day looking like a grease marker. So, but I will let you guys know, and I'm gonna try to sneak in and do a update somehow throughout the day. Let y'all guys, let you know how it's holding up. My office is way in the back, and my cubby rather. And if everybody go lunch and I stay sitting there, maybe we can squeeze one in on my phone. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna get out of here so I can go ahead and get dressed for work, and I will talk to you guys in the next video. No, I'll talk to you guys when I come back. Alright, see you in a little bit. Bye. Stay tuned, I'm tripping. You got to see what the makeup look like, the application. You got to see Kylie coming out the pack. And y'all, I'm gonna go ahead and be honest. I think I was not recording, but I haven't watched it yet. I think when I initially took out the package, I don't think I was recording. So, let's just hope that we have it. If we don't, let me tell y'all, she has no combs and she big head friendly. Alright, here goes. Okay guys, as promised, I'm here to do this video. It's, let's see, 4:48 in the AM. I've been up since 3:40 getting ready for this. Yeah, and I have to be at work at 8. So y'all know I gotta love you, right? Right. So anyway, we're gonna check out this Makeup Forever Matte Velvet Skin Foundation, and this is in Y505. Okay. I really wasn't gonna pick up this foundation, but I was like, okay, I just gotta see, because I got the first Makeup Forever HD foundation and I hated it. I don't even know why I still have it. And then they came out with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. Didn't like it either. Don't know why I still have it. So that's why I was on the fence about picking this one up. And I don't know what shade these are in. Oh, this is 177. And this one, this is 177. So I guess the numbers on this one came out differently. But anyway, it comes in this little squeezy tube. You get 30 milliliters and looks like it's good for 12 months. So I'm just going to put some of this on the back of my hand. That's kind of what it looks like. I was playing with eyeliner, y'all, while I was trying to get my brows done. It's hot in here and I'm already sweating, so let's get this on. It's kind of thick. Looks kind of thick. We'll see. We'll see. I already got on primer. My Tatcha Luminous Silk Primer. and moisturizer. I was gonna color correct, but then I said I wasn't gonna help this foundation out. I'm just gonna see what it's gonna do on its own. It is really thick. Okay, that's all of that first squeeze. This just the old Sigma SS90. And I'm gonna use my Sonia Kashich Beauty, Sonia Kashich, whatever it is, beauty blender to blend this stuff out. So when I get off work this afternoon, the first thing I'm gonna do is sit down and turn this camera on. I'm going back for another hump because I still see my spots and dots. I'm not blown away, y'all. I'm really not. The L'Oreal, which one is this foundation here? Covers a lot more and it's a lot cheaper. I'm just saying, what is this? The Real Ready Set Gorgeous. It covers just as good as this. So I'm just saying. Let me come in some more. Okay, this is how it looks. Let me go finish the rest of my face and I'll be right back. I don't know why or what happened. I really don't. Let me take this off again just in case it cut off before I showed you guys the inside of the cap. Okay, there are no combs at all. None. Just the two adjustable straps in the back. Let's pop her on and see what she's doing. What's she hanging like? What's she fitting like? There are two wires that you can, you know, squeeze in on the side. Me and this part though, I just don't know about that part. We're gonna have to get to know each other a little bit better. But y'all gonna see how both holding up when I make it here this afternoon at 5. Yeah, she real big head friendly. She ain't tight nowhere. If I even had a little bundle of hair back there, she would still work. Yeah, that's to make her look more natural, but I ain't feeling it. Let me come in so y'all can see what I'm talking about. See that? Well, I guess you could. You think it looks like nappy hair, but I don't know about that. Your girl gonna rock this sister all day. And I miss my lace because I love my lace. So that's going to be something I'm going to have to learn to deal with. But let me turn around so you guys can see the back. Feels like it's kind of standing up back here. Don't know why, but I guess that's the cut to make it stand up all the way around. Okay guys, I'm finna go get dressed so I can get ready to head out to work. It's now 5:43. So it's definitely time for me to go. I'll see you guys this afternoon when I come back. Hi guys, it's your girl, Lilcutenurse right here. I'm back. The end of the day, it's 4:39 p.m. Did the time come up? Let's see. There it is, 4:39 p.m. Let me come in. I did revert to my glasses around lunchtime after looking at the computers for so long. That's what we looking like. Yeah, I'm oily. And the foundation is just wearing off. See where my glasses were? It's just spots where it's missing. I even grabbed my makeup bag to try to, I want to use the makeup forever, to blot it and try to put it back. But when I looked in the mirror, I saw the foundation was totally missing. but I'm oily. Maybe it'll work for somebody who's not as oily as I am. If it hadn't moved around and just got oily, that'd have been cool. But it actually wore off. And this is the Makeup Forever Professional Finish Powder. Yeah, it's a no. It's a no. It's missing in a lot of places. Okay, guys. But y'all did see my hair. It held. And it didn't move. Just with that little bit of got to be glued right around the rim of the cap, since it's a full wig. They don't move. Don't really care about the front combs. Okay, y'all. That's the end of this video. I'll do my best to get it up tonight or first thing Tuesday morning. Y'all stay blessed, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Bye, guys.